It's not a stingray with me in the water. It's gotta be a nice red. I don't know if it'll be make the limit. There we go. Oh, 20 1/4. Got something decent, feels like. Oh man, that's a nice red. Man, I thought it was going to be a catfish from the way it was biting. Whoa! And this reel is messing up on me. That is a nice red. Cut mullet. Had finger mullet on it for a while. Wasn't doing nothing. They changed to cut mullet, and about 5 minutes it hit. I must prefer the cut mullet today. Come on, baby. Don't get off on me. Come on, baby. Oh, nice. Man, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Probably like maybe a 22-inch. Come on, get tired. Whoa. There we go. Right at right at 25, I think. 25. Oh boy, nice. Oh baby, let's show you off. That'll be the first one for today.